Oh, I like this song. It turns my spirit up every time. Oh, it's really cool. Anyways, I'm gonna have to turn the volume down because of the video. Hello world, hi there, thank you for joining me on today's session. And if you're new to the family, please just subscribe and slam the notification bell so you get notified every time I make a video like this. However, going forward, today I wish to show you how to make an image transparent using a website called remove.bg. So you might be wondering, what is the use case for this website? So you don't have access to a graphic designer, or you don't know how to use a software tool like Photoshop? No problem. So remove.bg has got your back. Anyways, right here on the website landing page, you can see automatically there is a call to action button called upload image. However, you can upload any type of image. If you scroll down here, you see products, animals, cars, graphic, any sort. This thing just knows what to do. So you click on upload image and it takes you to the upload screen where it opens up your Explorer. Pick any image of your choice. I'll select this one. You click on open and boom, just wait. That's all you have to do. Simple. It prepares the picture and uploads it to the servers, and it sends you the result back after the processing has been done. And you have your transparent background image. It's that simple, guys. It's that simple, guys. Okay, well, we just have to wait for it. Depending on your network connection though and the size of the image, it might take a little bit of time in between. So, but just know that. And as soon as it's done, you can actually just download your picture to your browser, to your laptop. It's that easy. And we're just gonna wait a little longer. Alright, so I decided to take a little jam break anyway. So alright, I hope you can hear me. Right, so the image has finished processing and we can access it right now. All you need to do is just click on download right here, and boom, you have it. Anywhere you want to store this image, you can save it as you wish. Alright, so that's basically it. Anyway, I want to show you something. However, if you click on edit right here, you can actually give this image a background color, a solid background color, right? So if this actually ever works, because my network is a little bit slow this evening, you click on color, and if you scroll down here, you see presets of colors. You can actually select. Totally cool. You can also choose your own color. There's a color picker. So you basically just move this thing around or move this guy around, give it a little red, and boom, that's it. It works. You can download it right here, and that's it. You're done. Simple, guys. It's so simple. This is all happening in less than 1 minute. Trust me, guys. If you have a super fast network, then it will take you seconds and you're done. So basically, you see, it actually does a good job in taking out the important part of the picture you give it to it, and it just takes out all the other noise in the background and just gives you that particular one thing that is very pronounced in the image. Anyways, that's it, guys. So if this video has been helpful, please like, comment, and share. I would like to know if you've seen this tool before. However, if you search on Google, maybe remove background online, you should see this come up in the search results, so it's not a big deal. But if you don't know about this already, you're welcome. And yes, please, if you have any other link to some of the similar software you've used in the past, please share in the comments below so others can find them and also learn to use them. Thank you very much for joining me here today, guys. You guys are awesome. I will see you in the next video. Till later, my friends. Peace out. Now I'm turning up the music level. And however, if you haven't subscribed yet, if you forgot, go and do it now. Hit the subscribe button, slam the notification bell, and we can be friends. Alright, guys. See you later. Peace out.